Hello friends, what's up? This is your Thaito. Today I will explain the artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning. What is the difference of the three variations? First one is the artificial intelligence. Second one is the machine learning. Third one is the deep learning. The machine learning, deep learning, the artificial intelligence. This program that says can be reason of this across the machine learning logarithm moves performance improving this expose more data over time. The deep learning, the subject as machine learning, which is multi-layered neural networking, learn vast amount of data. What is artificial intelligence? This artificial intelligence are AI describe and machine mimic converting functions human associates with the human mind, such as learning, problem solving, and even more element of the can directly programs. If use the role of program is human consider robot moving codes programmed by rule the robot. It is if something is in the way this true stop moving, the else the continue moving. This is the language of. So when you are taking about the official artificial intelligence, it is more worthwhile to consider two more specific subfields of AI, machine learning and deep learning, the combinations. The what is machine learning? The can think machine learning, it is longer the analyzing data, learn more, make information decision based on those learning insight. Machine learning is a related of old field incorporate methods and the logarithm have been around dozens of years. Some of the since 1960. This is the class logarithm including this support the missions. The K means it is the tree of the basis clustering, reduce the dimensional data and gain more insight into the natural learning users methods such as principles competitive analysis. Machine learning works how to minimize errors. This machine learning is works training component, machine learning modules and modules try to the minimize along the created dimension. The other words, machine learning is model of training. Minimum is the between their predictions and actual ground truth values. For most of different so-called errors functions, loss functions, object functions, the predict of the expected price of the stock in the near futures. When something says they are working with machine learning algorithm, you can get the gets of value. Asking what is the objective function, who can compare to modules of prediction with ground truth values. The good that differences between the predictions models, ground truth labels, small possibilities. The short machine learning modules optimize logarithm. This is right, they minimize this error by guess and guessing and guess again. But the machine learning real world. The how can companies are used AI and machine learning nowadays? The AI and machine learning leads to variety of automatic task technologies affect virtually every industry from the IT security, malware searching, weather forecasting, stock brokering, looking for optimal traders. This machine learning particularly require complex with coding issues that resolve functions and result machine learning is incorporated classes to logarithm various kinds of tasks such as clustering and classifications. We have trained this logarithm large amount of data. The main data is providing is the logarithm. Better your model this way outcome gets. What is deep learning? This deep learning is artificial intelligence based artificial neural networking. Since deep learning is also require data in order to learn data problems, who can cause specified machine learning. The terms machine learning is the deep learning are the option trades as scenario how their system have different capability. Unlike machine learning, deep learning use multi-layer structure logarithm called neural networking. Systematic response neural learning And the artificial neural networking that enabled deep learning models swallow tasks that machine learning models could never swallow. All recent advanced intelligences are the deep learning. Without deep learning, we would not have self-driving cars. The chatbot personal assistant like Alexa, Siri, Google Translate would be remain. And Netflix, you have to no idea which is moves or TV serial or extra suggested. Who can goes to say new industry revolution drive artificial neural networks and deep learning. It is the closest approach to machine intelligence we have so far because deep learning. Two major advantages. Deep learning. This is the first advantage deep learning overcome machine learning. It is that introduce the feature extension long before use deep learning. Traditional machine learning methods, decision tree and SVMs and Bayes classification, logistic and resist were most popular. Otherwise is the logarithm is the constant flat means the logarithm such as the CVS, images, text, etc. This processing is the step called as feature extensions. A deep learning broadcast abstract comparison response of raw data. It is several layers of the artificial neural network. We use comparison expressions. Input data produce the result. A result can be example classification input data into different classes. This during training process, neural network optimize the steps of native best possibilities, abstracts and input data. Deep learning is required little of no manual effects, so the performance optimized features extra processing in the other words. The feature extract and built into the process to take a place with the artificial neural networking with human input. If you want to use this machine learning, determine whether particular images shows cars or not, we or humans first need to identify the unique features of the car, shape, size, windows, wheels, etc. The exact feature gives to logarithm input data. Machine learning and deep learning. First input, feature extension, classification, output. The deep learning input, feature extension, classification and output. The deep learning accuracy can be increasing with big data. Deep learning accuracy can increasing with big data. The other major advantage of deep learning and deep water understanding will become so popular, powered by vast amount of data. It is hard to big data technologies to provide a big amount of opportunities, new innovation, deep learning. This deep learning modules tends to increasing accuracy with the increasing amount training data, where traditional machine learning models such as SVM and Naive-based classification stop improving after saturation points. Deep learning model scales better with large amount of data. The prepares drawn the chief scientist Chen's major searching engine co-founder Coursera and one of the leaders of the Google Brain project. Deep learning logarithm is the rocket engine, data is fuel, artificial intelligence. This developing machine learning mimic human intelligence everywhere. The machine learning is logarithm and structures of data prediction outputs. Deep learning is logarithm to this. The relation between AM and ML. We are going to relationship between artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning. This artificial intelligence developed by machines to mimic human intelligence behavior, you will also known as. This machine learning also logarithm to learn from data prediction or to discover partner in data. Deep learning breakthrough down tasks in specify item teaching machine learning using unstructured data. The accurate forecasting machine learning and automation and pattern recognition. The comparison significant is the insight intelligence A2 machine learning. It is the data analytic forecasting factors marketing to the consumers, while machine learning can also indicate other items such as transportation cost, future demanding, and delivery leads time. Machinery learning such as scenario. Deep learning has to for forecasting and the better prediction trends. Automation. Using this machine learning, business can be reduced the time spent analyzing complicated data set. This result is task compulsory. Machine learning modules are otherwise very reliable and well done. This is because these modules can be learning from itself or making its predictions to improving this algorithm. This means the no human interactions is the needed. Mainly, deep learning is modules requested human interaction during its early stage as someone's need to review these results since it is the work with the unstructured data. Sorry. Train and pattern recognition. These machine learning models are decisions to handle large set of structured data and analyzing them, discover partners and trade human would identify deep learning and models is not recommended as it is not a designation and designing recognitions trade with the structured data. Chatbot. This chatbot conversational artificial intelligence system training of the machine learning to provide appropriate responses turned into the input as system learning from the past experiences. The questions asked for previous queries appropriate answers while deep learning plays role chatbots. This specify features providing proper response questions unique to machine learning. This learning is the required structured data analyzing educational tools. These educational tools such as have that each different languages also use machine learning. The analytic data you are providing for computing sections of the course. Machine learning use the knowledge adjust to educational systems meet users' needs. The deep learning does not apply these functions. Educational apps primarily use structured data. Stream platforms. The recommendation of the streaming platforms another form of the machine learning. The machine learning are integrated into the platform. The analyzing songs, movies or shows you are and to fast compare is to other data from customer with the similar consumer data beware and suggested additional content of the may enjoying 1 second. These functions use structured data instead of unstructured data. To deep learning models can be applied. Interesting learning how to build own machine learning tool over there. The efficiency handling unstructured data, scalability, parallel distribution algorithm, virtual assistants and driving vehicles, the internal channels. Please subscribe my Tech Group channel. Please like, please share, please comment. Thanking you once again. Happy Vinayaka Chavithi.